Hey guys, thank you so much for tuning in. My name is Josh and this is C3's Garage. In today's video, I have a very special video. A couple of weeks ago, I gave you guys a list of things to carry around when you drive your car to long distances and you don't want to get stranded somewhere and not being able to aid yourself if there's an issue with your car. So I decided to showcase some of the things that I carry. Andeman was kind of nice to see the video and suggest a jump starter kit instead of carrying cables and depending on someone else to help you get the car kick-started again. So this is a jump starter kit. It comes with all the things that you need. It comes with a cable to jumpstart your car. It comes with a charging cable, a manual, and a really strong case to keep it. One thing that I like about this is that it's very compact. So you can carry it around smaller cars such as this Corvette. Whenever you need it, it's very handy for you. I also noticed that it comes with a flashlight, multiple USB options. You got two USBs and then you got a USB-C option, as well as a really bright LCD display that gives you information about the battery statuses of the charge. Now, what's cool is that you can also charge your cell phones, your tablets, and other accessories if you have them. One thing that's really cool about this is that it's very robust. It just feels heavy, it feels strong. You can tell this is a very well thought out item. Now, I can sit here and tell you guys all the beautiful things about this Andeman device, but does it work? Let's find out. In order to make this experiment as precise and as good as possible, I have decided to go ahead and remove the battery tender from the battery, so that way the car's not charging. And I have also left the lights on. As you guys can tell, one of the lights has turned off. I believe this is a faulty light, so I need to change it. But aside from that, every other light seems to be working just fine. All we have to do is sit and wait till the car pretty much dies on me, which is terrible to say, but let's hope that it dies soon enough. And I'm also hoping that this Andeman is able to jumpstart the car. Now, to give a couple of specifications or specs about this Andeman brick, model number is Epower-155 Pro. The battery capacity is 20,000 milliamps. Type-C input is 5 volts 3A. Output USB is 5V 3A. And the USB 2 is 5V 2A. The peak current is 3000 milliamps. The jump start output is 14.8 volts. And the working temperature, which is great, is 14 Fahrenheit to 140 Fahrenheit. So this thing could withstand really low and really high temperatures, which is really, really cool. You can find everything about this down in the description below, as well as a sweet 20% discount if you use my code C3S Garage to purchase your own kit today. Thanks for watching. Alrighty, ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much for staying with me. There are three things that I want to disclose with you guys. The first one is that the car is fully dead. Nothing works in it. The second one is that it took about 8 hours for the car to fully die. And the last one, this video has taken me 2 days to fully complete. So, with that being said, like and subscribe because it helps me a lot. There's my battery tender. The battery is on that pocket there. But as you guys can tell, there is absolutely no light coming up from the... Wow, everything actually passed. So here's the... And as I mentioned, here is the battery. So hopefully nothing is wrong with the car. So let's go ahead and plug the Andeman and see what the car's behavior is. I'm always connect the positive terminal and then the negative terminal, never the other way. So positive goes first, and then negative goes second. Okay, we have some light. So there is definitely signal, and it's not correct. Huh. Something to point out, none of my dome lights work. None on the footwell or over here. None of those lights work. Aside from that, radio has energy, the rest has energy. It's still pointing out that the generator is on red. The locks seem to finally be working. It was taking a little bit for them to start working, so I think the car is finally charging. So two things happened while I was waiting. It's been about 5 minutes. One, the dome lights actually came on, and two, the car seems like it's wanting to respond now. So I don't know if it's because I kept the Andeman connected to the car and the Andeman has depleted the charge quite a lot. So I don't know if it's the battery draining battery from it to charge itself or what, but let's open up the hood and let's test it out. Alrighty, ladies and gentlemen, we have made it to the ending of this video. There's a couple of things that I want to point out. One, I think the jumper works as it says it's going to work. I think there were rookie mistakes that I made. I think I should have connected the cables, the jumper, I'm sorry, allow that to kind of soak up the juice, connect, and kind of get warmed up or charged up, if you will, before I started kind of pumping it. Me pumping it and getting anxious and getting kind of scared of the outcome triggered me to just kind of do everything really quick. So I could have waited and the car would have cranked up perfectly fine. I think with that being said, I think the Andeman jumper kit is a must. I think it's great. I think it works as it should. I think if you do it the way the instructions instruct, you should have no problems. I actually feel very confident on just taking off my jumper cables out and just dealing with the Andeman jumper kit because it did so well. It drained the battery on the Andeman to like 72% or something like that from 100% that I had it, but it charged up the car to the point where it cranked up fine. I'm very excited. I'm very happy. I think Andeman has a great product here, and I think it's worth noting it that for older cars is a really good option. So with that being said, thank you so much guys for watching this video. Thank you Andeman for sponsoring this video. This was an amazing product that I wanted to review for a long time, and I'll be putting it in my list of things that I carry everywhere on my Corvette. If you guys are interested in buying this product, feel free to use my link code C3S Garage for 20% of this product. With that being said, thank you guys for staying with me, and I'll see you guys on the next one.